Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Guys, in this video I am telling about top 10 hottest female celebrities of Mexico. Mexico, or the government-secretary Republic of North America, is known for fairy food and provocative Latina ladies. The nation is honored with the absolute most lovely looking human exemplar in the world. Their dull hair, normally tanned skin and valiant eyes can allure anybody. Probably the most lovely ladies in the displaying and film industry have a place with the Mexican heritage. Along these lines, we have recorded 10 most gorgeous and most smoking Mexican female VIPs in 2024. Number 1. Camila Sodi. Camila was brought into the world in Mexico City in 1986 on 14th May. She is among the most popular Mexican entertainer who began her profession as a model. She partook in a nice outcome in her displaying vocation, where she worked with a few major planners and stole the slope in different style shows. She dialed back her vocation pace when she became pregnant. She is likewise well known in light of her significant other, Diego Luna, who is extremely popular Mexican entertainer whom she wedded in 2008. Number 2. Dulce Maria. Dulce Maria is among the most notable Mexican entertainer. She likewise honored with a sweet voice and has laid down a good foundation of herself as a famous vocalist and musician. She got going her vocation early in life. She used to show as a youngster in a few ads. Maria began singing when in 1996 in a youngsters band. A portion of their effective tunes incorporate Prend El Switch and La Major Ditas Sonrisas. The landed herself a widespread music record in 2009 and sent off her most memorable independent collection in Extranjera. Number 3. Carolina Tejera. Guys, Carolina has a place with a blended legacy with the Mexican and Spanish parentage. The entertainer is dynamic in Venezuela, where she previously showed up in a Volvo a Viber in 2006. Somewhere near in 2010, she began working in a show called Telenovelas, which was delivered by Telemundo Studio, which was situated in Miami. She has additionally showed up in various dramas like Corazon Valiente and Aurora. She is well known for her charming grin, which took the core of Vios Stockwell, a Costa Rican financial specialist who wedded the Mexican excellence. Number 4. Ninel Conde. Ninel Herrera Conde is a wonderful vocalist and entertainer who is most popular for her parts in Fuego and La Sangre Rebelde and Blemishes de Love. She got going her singing vocation in 2003, delivering a 2-part harmony called Calados with Jose Manuel Figueroa. This melody was likewise named for the Latin Grammys. Her TV program Rebelde made her well known from one side of the planet to the other, which sort of added her become a global superstar. She likewise showed up on the hit American television series called Monsters Betty. 5. Mariana Beon. Mariana Beon can be perceived as the principal champ of Mexico's Next Top Model. She got going her displaying vocation way before she participated in this demonstrating challenge. She went about as a nearby model in her town during the underlying phase of her profession. Her light earthy colored hair and brilliant eyes have been the USP for Mariana all through her profession. She is likewise a clear soccer player. This demonstrating challenge assisted her with getting the right lift in her profession, which handled her agreements with large brands and magazines like Experiment in Mexico. She has likewise done numerous demonstrating tasks in Germany and Switzerland also. Number 6. Thalia. Guys, Ariadna Thalia Sodi Miranda is among the hottest artists in Mexico. Thalia is a multi-skilled excellence who is an entertainer, vocalist, musician and money manager. She is considered as the best Mexican craftsman who have teamed up with record organizations like Televisa, Univision, Correspondence and Television Azteca. She is otherwise called the sovereign of Latin pop. Thalia is additionally brought to be as the most notable and the most influential ladies in the music business. She has earned different Latin Grammy as well as announcement designations. Number 7. Ximena Navarrete. Ximena Navarrete is notable face of is the every Mexican family. She is a delightful model cut entertainer who has won various excellence events with her magnificence and insights. She was delegated in 2009 as the Nostra Belleza Mexico, which assisted her success the Miss Universe with naming of 2010. Later she got going her vocation as an expert model working with probably the greatest names in the design business. She has likewise been the brand representative of Old Naval Force and L'Oreal Paris. Number 8. Selena Gomez. This previous Disney star is among the most renowned Mexican superstar, and one can decide the ubiquity from the way that the artist is the most followed big name on Instagram with north of 100 million adherents. She is multi-ability entertainer who is the vocalist, lyricist, maker and chief. She is very famous among youthful young people who love her adorable looks and appealing eyes. Her music recording like Great For You is an unmistakable defense for why we included her this rundown. The entertainer can likewise be seen sharing hot nudes via virtual entertainer, favoring us with her magnificence. Number 9. Jessica Alba. We don't have a depict what the identity is. We as a whole have seen her different Hollywood motion pictures and totally love her work. Who can fail to remember her swimsuit skin from the film Into the Blue? Her attractive bands and enchanting grin made large number of men fall head over heels for her. She is quite possibly of the most lovely and effective Mexican entertainer who has accomplished global distinctions due to her ability and enthusiasm toward acting. Dim Holly Messenger ended up being the defining moment in her vocation, which accumulated her business. She likewise got a brilliant Globe designation for the film. There are a few ladies all over the planet who respect and revere her work and need to become like her. Guys, number 10. Salma Hayek. God favor those bends. Salma Hayek is beyond a shadow of a doubt the hottest and most gorgeous ladies in Mexico as well as the whole world. She is famous for her suggestive looks and exotic compliment which can turn on anyone's want. She is most popular for her job in films like Everly and Outlaw, in which she looks so staggering and hot that you would need to watch these motion pictures again and again. She has won a few Oscar, Screen Society and Brilliant Globe designation all through her vocation. She is additionally known for wearing the absolute most uncovering outfits with such elegance and class that one can't resist the urge to gaze at the magnificence. Thus, it is right there we have recorded 10 of the most lovely hottest Mexican ladies on earth in 2024, who are known for their outstanding ability and delightful countenance. They have really buckled down and done right by their nation of origin, opening entryways for youthful, capable Mexican ladies all over the planet. So friend, if you like this video about top 10 hottest female celebrities of Mexico, please click on the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe now our channel. Thank you for watching.